Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you my three Power BI dashboards. Without wasting time, let's start this video. And to make these dashboard, I also watch a tutorial and I try to make these unique. This is my first Power BI dashboard. This is HR analysis dashboard. You can also say HR analytics dashboard. This dashboard talking about attrition. In this dashboard, I add six key cards which showing you overall employees attrition rate, average age, and average salary, and average working years per person at a company. In this dashboard, I also add some charts. I also add a pie chart which showing you attrition by education. And I also add a bar chart which showing you attrition by age. I also add a stack column chart which showing you attrition by salary slabs. And I add a second stack column chart which showing you attrition by job roles. And I also add aerial line chart which is showing you attrition by years at company. And last I add no no last no I add a table which is showing you reviews of the people which is leaving a company. I also add a tree map which is showing you attrition by gender. At last, I add filters. You can filter our departments to analyze the different departments of our company. This is my second dashboard, and this is a store dashboard, and which is showing many things. In this dashboard, I add four key cards which are showing sale, profit, quantity, and average delivery time. And I also add filters which are showing center, east, south, and west side of United States of America. I also add many charts. I add donut chart which is showing sell by segments. I also add stack column charts. First is showing sell by subcategory, sell by category, and sell by ship mode. I also add two aerial line charts which are showing sale by month and profit by month. And in the last, I also add a 3D earth map of United States of America. So this is my second dashboard. I hope you like this. If you like it, so please hit the button of like like this video. This is my last, and this is my first dashboard that I ever be created. This is a data analysis report dashboard, and this is based on the previous data set which I used to create previous dashboard. Okay, I mean second dashboard which I already show you. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Again, I add four key cards which are showing sales, quantity, discount, and profit. I also add a line chart which is showing sale by year, quarter, and month. I also add donut aerial chart and donut chart which are showing sale by segment and sale by region. And I also add funnel chart which is showing sell by subcategories. I mean sell by subcategory. Again, I add United States of map of aerial map. This is my third Power BI dashboard. I also push files of dashboard on GitHub. You can easily access you can easily access the data sets, and you can easily access these dashboard files easily. You can easily download the files, okay? And also follow me on my social media sites, okay? Also, you can check my website portfolio. How you can find this repository? It is very easy. Go to Google and write github.com and open the GitHub. Then go to search bar and search Muhammad Ahmed Bhutta. Then my profile appear there, and then go to repository. On the top you can find Power BI projects. If you want how I can create this dashboard, I will make a video and a new chart to show you how I can create, and I also watch a tutorial to make this dashboard. Okay, we will meet again. Bye bye.